Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Skrill account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Skrill is an online payment and money transfer service that allows users to send and receive money, make online purchases, and manage their finances. It supports various currencies and offers features such as prepaid cards, digital wallet services, and international transfers. Users can fund their Skrill accounts via bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and other methods. Skrill also provides a secure platform for handling transactions and is commonly used for e-commerce, gaming, and investment activities. Now, to download and access Skrill, what you need to do first is open your web browser. Go to Google or any other web browser that you like and search for Skrill. Click on the first result, which will take you to Skrill's official website. Skrill is a digital wallet founded in 2001, offering a range of online payment and money transfer services. On the Skrill website, you will see two options: business and consumer. If you are a business owner, select business to register. Otherwise, choose consumer. Multiple languages are available, including English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian, and Indian English. What you need to do next is fill in your details. You need to enter your first name, last name, country, currency, email address, and password. And make sure your password is case sensitive and includes characters, numbers, and symbols. After doing all that, you need to click register. You can install the Skrill app on your Android or iOS devices for mobile access. Enter your address and date of birth to finish setting up your account. After registration, log in using a username and password. Enter your mobile number to receive a verification code. Input the code and set a PIN for your Skrill account. Skrill charges a 2.5% fee for deposits. Enter your credit or debit details to deposit money into your Skrill account. You can send money directly to another Skrill account or bank account easily. Just upload money using your credit or debit card and start making payments anywhere. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Skrill account. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.